Hi, Advanced Algebra 2. This is Mrs. Langford. We are going to look at example 2A in the 9.1 notes. If it'll let me. There we go. Alright, so we want to find 5 trig ratios given 1 trig ratio. So we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem to find the missing side length. Then we're going to use the triangle side length to find the other 5 trig ratios. So remember, we're working in right triangles. So draw yourself a right triangle and label one of the acute angles as theta. So this tells us that the sine of theta is 4/7. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse, so that means the opposite side length is 4 and the hypotenuse is 7. So the Pythagorean theorem can help us to find that third side. We'll just call it a. A squared plus 4 squared equals 7 squared. So a squared plus 16 equals 49. Subtract 16 from both sides. So a squared equals 33. We'll take the square root, and we want to keep things in exact terms. So we're not going to round. So we can replace a with the square root of 33. Now to find those other 5 trig ratios, so let's just start by listing the sign. And I think I'm actually going to drop down here so that I have some space to, whoa, there we go. So let's just rewrite that the sine of theta is 4/7. We got our triangle right above. So the cosine of theta, so put your eyes on theta on your triangle and then look adjacent. That's the side that is next to or touching that angle that's not the hypotenuse. So square root of 33/7. And then the tangent of theta is the length that's opposite, which is 4 over the adjacent, which is the square root of 33. Now let's rationalize that. So we'll multiply top and bottom by the square root of 33. So we get 4 times the square root of 33 over 33. Just make sure that we can't reduce that. So now we'll do the lesser 3 functions. So the reciprocal of sine is cosecant. So the cosecant of theta is the reciprocal of sine. So that is 7/4. The reciprocal function of cosine is secant. So the secant of theta is 7 over the square root of 33. We need to go ahead and rationalize that. And that'll give us 7 times the square root of 33 over 33. And then finally we have the cotangent of theta. I'm going to go back to my original tangent and take the reciprocal of that. So that is the square root of 33 over 4, which is in lowest terms. So that's how you find 5 trig ratios given 1.